are you on your financial journey? Are you in control of your finances, or do you just have a random finance plan which is all over the place? Comment down below if you have listed down your financial plan. We're going to start with the stages of money. Have you ever asked yourself the stages of money? Comment down below. The first one we're going to look at today is making the money, or your income source. What is your source of income? Do you only have active, or do you also have passive income? Comment below. Active income is what you're involved in your day-to-day activities, whilst passive income is what is making you money when you sleep. Do you make money in your sleep? Comment below. Once you have identified your source of income, the second thing, or the second step, is to identify your spending. How is your spending? How often do you analyze, or do you come up with your budget? Or rather, the question is, do you have a budget? Comment down below. Hello good people, hope you're doing well. Jessie is my name, and in today's episode we're going to talk about money. We're going to look at stages of money and money step, and we're going straight to the second money stage. We have already identified income. Now let's go to spending. Do you have a budget, and how efficient, how good is your budget? Comment down below. Budget is key. You need to have a monthly, bi-weekly, weekly, and of course in the long run you have to have a budget in line with your quarterly goals, annual goals, biannual goals, and all the goals that you have. Comment down below if you have the different budgets. We have a few videos on budget, that is balanced, zero, and surplus. You can check them out. I will try and link the playlist down below so that you can watch them. Number 3, saving. Once you have made the money, you need to identify which portion you'll be saving and which portion you need to utilize. At the end of the day, you need saving for a rainy day, and of course you also need to save for your retirement. Or do you think you're too young to think of your retirement? Comment down below and let me know what you think about saving for retirement, and especially if you're in your 20s. Most people find themselves saving for retirement because of the employment plan. Are you one of them? To be honest, sometimes we are not very conscious about retirement, but it is bound to come. And in most cases nowadays, people are retiring even earlier, so it comes even earlier. The next stage is investing or multiplying. When you make money, are you having a deficit all the time, or you're saving something for tomorrow, or you're putting something aside for investment? Comment down below. If you're not already doing it, perhaps it's about time to start. It is never too late to start. You can check out from our previous videos different ways or different passive incomes you can start. Comment down below if you already have a passive income, and you can give us ideas of how you started it and how you're growing it. If you have ever failed in a passive income, also comment down below so that we can learn from such mistakes. Number 5 is maintaining and protecting your money. You have made money, you have spent, you have invested, you have saved. You also need to have in mind that this money needs protection, and you also need to maintain either your current status or improve your status. If you lost your job today, how long can you last with your savings? Or perhaps I should ask, can you even last 3 months? If you can't, maybe this is time to take action. In your saving plan, as you save for emergency, you need to ensure you have at least 3 months. The standard is usually about 6 months, but at least you should have 3 months income which can run your home without strain. Comment down below if you have such a saving, not in your circle where you can't access, but somewhere among your savings that you can quickly access, maybe in 72 hours. How is your emergency fund? If you were to fall sick today and you run out of your medical cover, if you have, how much can your emergency fund cater for your bills? Comment down below. In a nutshell, the stages of money is making, spending, saving, investing and multiplying, maintaining and protecting. Comment down below if you have ensured that your money has gone through all the stages. You check often to ensure that your money is growing and safe. Let's go to the next part of this video, is money steps. And we're going to highlight a few. Number one is dust off step. At this level, you're going to check where you are and what is happening around you. The source of income, is it active, passive? Your credit, are you strained financially, or are you able to meet all your obligations, including debts and every other thing that you need to meet on a monthly basis? Comment down below if you were to do a dust off test today, where would you be? If you don't want to comment, just write it down on your notes. Next step is startup. One, you have started now paying for your expenses. Maybe you're paying for a loan. For instance, maybe you have just started life and you're paying for your house and your basic expenses. And also you have a student loan that you need to make payment. You need to assess yourself and see end to end what you're doing. Next step, you're now adulting into your financial journey and you have focused on saving for your emergency, and also you're saving for your retirement. At that point, you don't feel too young to retire. You're now focusing your energies on everything that comes your way to make money, and to ensure that this money that you're making is going to all your expenses, including those expenses that will come later, emergency and retirement. Like this video if you have reached this point and you're in your 20s. The next thing is visioning. You have now started visualizing your future, your goals. You have set them. Of course, if you don't know how to set your goals or you need guidance, you can check out our previous video. We have videos on setting your long, short and medium term goals. Yeah, so now you're envisioning what you're going to do and you're keenly doing it. You're not just having it now either in your mind or in your notebook, but you're actively involved in actualizing it. The next thing is futuring. At this point, your savings are growing and your debt is going down. At that point, you're realizing at least now the burden of financial obligations is going down and your finances are growing. Comment down below if you are at this point, or you can give this video a like to just symbolize that you're doing something about your money steps. Last step is polishing. At this point, you're making everything shine. Your savings tick, your investment tick, your debts almost finished, and you're now heading to even helping others. By the way, do you give back to the society or you're just self-centered? Comment down below if you do. And if you would like to support our charity cause where we are raising funds for Naomi's medical expenses, I'm going to link the number here so that you can send the money directly to her for her to be able to meet her medical expenses. I will link down her videos so that you can understand the genesis of where she started. Naomi was a normal person, abled, and she suffered stroke in 2018. And from that time, she suffered a second stroke in 2022 September, and now she cannot walk. She needs our support to get her medical attention and to get her back to good health. Kindly donate. No matter how much, we're going to appreciate. I would like your takeaway from this video. Whatever action you're going to take on the issues we have discussed today, kindly comment down below or give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you'd like to watch our previous finance videos, we have a playlist, so you can check it out. And don't forget to subscribe. It really helps grow our channel. And of course, if we grow, we'll be able to have more capacity to be able to create more. And give this video a like and ensure your notification bell is on so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. See you on our next one. Bye.